wildfires burning across the state, more homeowners are trying to get ahead of their danger, right?
And your reporter covering Placer County, Connor McGill, shows us how one business built a model around fire prevention and how it's changing the way people protect their homes.
Instead of waiting for the flames, more people are acting now, doing everything they can to protect their properties before a wildfire even hits.
When we had our defensible space inspection, the forestry guy said, whatever you can do to help your house protect itself for even 10 minutes so that the fire folks have a chance to get to it and help save it.
That message struck Regina Jorces. She turned to Blaze Busters, a business that started 5 years ago with the goal of preventing fire damage before it happens. The company uses core fire retardant, a non-toxic formula created by 2 teenagers in Mountain View that can be sprayed around homes, farms, and in yards.
And seeing homes built, being burnt and having to rebuild them, like, there's just got to be a better way to stop this before we turn into total devastation.
Duhane showed us how the product works, demonstrating its application and effectiveness.
I would be severely burned.
Avoiding the devastation a wildfire can cause is why Jorces has both her Auburn home and Kingville cabin sprayed each year. She says the protection comes with a price tag, often hundreds to thousands of dollars, depending on the size of a property.
It's a choice that has to be made. It's like, are you going to paint a fence or are you going to protect your house? And that's where I put it in. I feel like it's a necessary expense.
Running a business like this requires approval from the California State Marshal's Office. Blaze Busters is Class A certified, meaning their work meets strict safety standards.
You have to know where it can be applied, where it's most effective, how the fire retardant works. So it looks simple, but there's a lot to it.
The product gave Jorces peace of mind during the Caldor fire just a year after she had the service, and she says she was grateful for the extra layer of protection.
We did what we could, but Chris and his company had given us the baseline of protection.
As wildfire season continues, this prevention first method is gaining more attention.